Brakes aren't very good.
Look at that charger. Now record the charger right now.
Record me too, little. Alright, now I'm gonna throw that way. Hold it high, just like this.
Oh, there's a minivan. I think it's a, oh, there's a police car. Hey, let's go for another lap. Let's go for 4 laps. So this is 1, now 2. And 2 more. 5 laps. And this way. Detroit.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's the first time the MGB's been outside since it was in storage because I was moving. Got my co-pilots here, as you guys saw. We taken it around the block quite a few times already. After you guys saw those previous videos, I went around a few more times, and it seems to be running good, holding temperature good. Only thing I can't figure out is the tack. I'll show you guys this real quick. So right here, the white and black wire. I'm assuming it connected, there was a tab over here that it broke off of on the coil pack. However, every time I even touch it to it, the motor dies. My son said, he was in the car, he said the tack flicked on, but then the whole motor died. And I don't know what would cause that. Maybe somebody does. Please, if you do, comment below. I'd love to know. But other than that, the motor's not looking terrible. It's starting to look gold again. And I'm probably gonna have to replace some hoses. Go to the store. We got some leakage going on in here from probably the heater, the coil. So we'll address all that, take care of it, and but I'm just glad this thing is mobile by itself for once. So it's pretty neat. You know, it's not a bad looking car either. I didn't put the hood on, just take a picture real quick. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. But thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep following my build. We're just going to keep making progress. A couple other things to do underneath the car for we showed the transmission gaskets. You have to cut out the floor here soon. So I'm going to talk to some friends and see if I can get a welder. Leighton, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.